Oh, why do I do this to myself, guys? Why? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's so sunny outside. But it's the first day of fishing. The river season's open. I'm kind of dribbling because I'm half asleep. Drooling. That's really not nice. First day of the river being open. So I thought I would get up extremely early and go fish. So let's get up slowly and back to sleep. It was meant to be a sunny day. It was meant to be beautiful. I've got up, I've kind of got changed, and it's raining. It's bloody raining. But that's not going to stop me. I'm still going to get all my gear ready. I'm just going to put some waterproofs on and we're going to try catch a big barbel. Right, car's loaded up. I'm all waterproofed up. Still raining. Do you ever get, like, you get ready to do something, you're so hyped up about it for so long, and then when it comes to it, you're like, ooh, that's how I feel right now, because it's just raining heavy, and I'm going to get soaked. But I'm going to my favourite place to fish. It's in this old guy I know, his back garden, and it's amazing. I can't wait, to be fair. So let's just go and do it and get wet. So here's the river I am going to be fishing on, but I'm going to be fishing from someone's back garden, so it's about another 2-3 minutes. Oh, with people already fishing down there. It's quite hard to see. Oh, it looks quite fast flowing. Quite hard to see, but we're going to access it from a different way. Been here a few hours now and only had a couple little bites, not caught anything at all. There's a strimmer down there which is doing my head in. I think I'm going to call it a day. This has been a very disappointing fishing vlog again. It's not going to plan. There's the strimmer that you can hear doing my head in. Let's just pack up and go home and let's do a little tutorial. How about that? Yeah? Little tutorial. So we're back home after a very disappointing morning on the river, but beginning of the season it's hard to know kind of what's going to happen. Probably haven't fished there, or no one's fished there for maybe 6-7 months because of the weather and everything, and with the closed season. So hopefully it'll pick up later in the year. Right, as promised, we're going to go through a very quick card trick. It's going to be a force as well, and I'll teach you a little routine with the force as well. It's a force I use all the time. So grab yourself a deck of cards, doesn't matter what deck it is, and let's learn it. So for this trick you can get the spectator to shuffle the cards as much as they want. Doesn't really make a difference what they do. However many people shuffle it, doesn't matter. You're going to take the cards as a spectator and you're going to go to a spectator. I'm just going to go through a few cards and just tell me to stop whenever. They say stop at this card here. Perfect. I want you to remember that card there.
and you'll always know what card that is, and then you can go on to any little routine with copying, stealing, anything like that. Doesn't really make a difference about how to get that card. So it's a very quick force. I'm going to teach you a quick way how to steal the card as well from the middle of the deck. The angle here is not great, you'll see everything, but when they're looking down on you, you'll get away with everything. So once the spectators basically finish shuffling the cards and everything like that, all you need to know is what the top card is. So for instance, the 5 of diamonds. It's all about presentation as well. You're going to go to a spectator. I'm just going through the cards one by one. And this is where the secret happens. Then when you start sliding it down, you're always keeping that card underneath in like a cold position. And then when they say stop, all you're going to do is slightly out jog that card here in front of the 5, but it looks like that their card's there. Then when you square it up and show them, it's always going to be that force card that you've kind of shown them, or you can go on to any mentalism trick. The routine I go about this is remember that card, so on. I'll have a reveal of a card in my hand, a prediction. Try imagine it, because I've given them this image. If I can then make a blank card which has a flap where I've forced the 5 of diamonds and just go like that, all of a sudden 5 of diamonds appears and they're kind of mind blown because they've just seen a blank card but they've used their imagination. It's a bit of a mentalism trick. The other way around it is that once you've shown this position here, what you're going to do is I use my 3 fingers, the middle, ring and pinky finger, to split that card like so. So we'll go through that slowly. So you apply a bit of pressure, lifts that card away from the rest of the deck. It's mainly the middle finger that does the work. From here you can do it just with the middle. However, you might grab a few cards instead of just the one. Once you split that card, when you go to put the remaining of the deck, they are just going next to the 5 of diamonds, and that will put it at the bottom. And then you can go on to any kind of steal, cop, whatever. If you want to learn the cop move, I've taught it previously in my channel. I'll leave a link in the description. But that little steal move is a brilliant move in Magic for anything. So you get the 5 of diamonds like so. At this angle, when you put the cards back, just looks like you're putting all the cards on it and the 5 of diamonds in the middle. Instead it goes to the bottom and the audience isn't going to know any better. So that's a quick little card trick routine for you today, guys. Next video I'm going to do is going to be probably the hardest trick I've done. It's not very practical either. Yeah, you're going to enjoy it, but it's going to frustrate you like hell. And it doesn't work every time either. It very rarely works, but when it does, it looks brilliant. It's mainly for camera. But it's an idea I had a while ago. I'll put a video on my Instagram first of a performance and I'll teach it in a couple of days. I'll see you later, guys. Hope you enjoy that.